Hi guys, Lori here from Deals of This and That. Today we have a pallet unboxing from liquidation.com. It's a huge clothing pallet. I will insert a picture of the pallet as we got it because it was dropped off in front of our house. We had to break it all down to get it in the house. So if I can figure it out, I will get that put into the video for you. Alright, so we'll probably break this down into one of two parts because there is quite a bit of stuff. We have bags upon bags and we have boxes upon boxes. So much to do, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, and before I forget, during the video we will be giving away another subscriber giveaway. This one is for one of our variety mystery boxes worth $50, and I will tell you throughout the video what you have to do to get entered in to win that. All right, let's get unbagging, I should say, these bags. And these are from liquidation.com. Supposed to be all clothing, brand new tags from shelf pulls from Target. All right, bag number one has something polka dotted. It is looks like a sweater dress, like a turtleneck, almost like a mustard yellow or gold sweater dress. It is a size large. All right, bag number two. If you see anything you like on this video and it's an opening, you can head on over to our online store. That's dealsofthisandthat.com. And we also have an eBay store. I'll be putting all that information in the links below. All right, bag number two is, looks like capri style exercise lounge pants. High-rise capri is what the tag says, also large in size. Bag number three. Seems to be one piece of clothes per bag. Kind of a lot of waste if you ask me. It is a bathing suit. It's a one piece. Looks almost like a snake skin print. It's got some bows on the sides. Size regular $34.99, and the size is unknown. I would say large, but I'm not completely sure. I will investigate that a little bit more. Next bag. Looks like we have a lot of winter clothes. Maybe. Size large. Doesn't look large to me whatsoever. It's coral color capri pants. Stretchy. Next bag. Another swimsuit. This one strapless, but it does have straps here with hooks that you can put in. Size large. So you could have straps or no straps. Perfect for summer. Next bag. I'm trying to go through these bags as fast as I can. Not a lot of fun watching me cut open bags. Looks like another swimsuit. that is inside out. So, one moment. It's a black swimsuit, and it looks like it has some crochet on it. It has a tie here. Size is a small. It's actually very cute, I think. Okay, next bag. Another swimsuit. Oh, this one is super cute. Look at that. It's got a tie. It's got some like scallop edging in the back. Very cute. Size is small. Super, super cute, but definitely not my size. Again, all of the stuff you see will be on our online store at dealsofthisandthat.com. And we do occasionally put things on our eBay store too. I will again put all that information down in the description box below. This is a white bathing suit, size extra small. It has little ruffles on the top. Another very cute one. This one retailed for $34.99. So definitely, if you like anything, check out our store where you find amazing deals and discounts. And we do sell things other than clothes. We sell everything. We have a pair of jeans. Here, Levi's. They are size 10, 724 high-rise straight cropped, slim through hip and thigh. But nice little pair of jeans there. It looks like a little bit of a stone wash maybe. Alright, next bag. I'll go ahead and do a couple more bags and then I will give you the information you need for our next subscriber giveaway. This one says cargo golf shorts. Size 38, though they're obviously men's. Retail were $30. Nice shorts. Right. Next bag is a little heavier, so maybe pants or jeans in this one. If I can get into it, it is jeans. Vintage straight, it says 18W. With a very faded look, and it's got the little rips there in the knees. Very kind of soft and comfy feeling. Would be my kind of pants right there. Super comfy all the way. Next bag. We'll open this bag and then I'll go ahead and give you the subscriber giveaway information. Another bathing suit. Looks like a one piece. It's an extra large 16-18. There we go. It's got a cute back. Retailed for $34.99. So you can definitely get a huge discount on our store. All right, subscriber giveaway, guys. We are going to give away a $50 variety mystery box, the kind we sell on our website. All you have to do is like and subscribe. And in the comments, type the words, "I love a good mystery." Like, subscribe, I love a good mystery. All right, moving on. All right, and next bag. We may end up making this a 3-part video because there is a lot of stuff. And I don't want to bore you by taking an hour to open things. Okay, we have another bathing suit here. It's got a little bit of a to it. Look at that. Very nice. And the size on this one is a medium. Very, very nice. Next box, or bag, I should say. A bag in a bag. Another swimsuit. This one is green. It's definitely cute. Very cute. Looks very small. It is an extra small, 0 to 2. Again, all these swimsuits seems to be retailing around $34.99. So definitely check out our store, www.dealsofthisandthat.com, and you will get amazing, amazing deals on brand new merchandise. Next bag. Looks like some more leggings or exercise pants. Right there. Don't see a size. Oh, size 7-8. It says contour curvy. Okay. Move that one to the side. It looks a little difficult. Might add that bag to part 2. Alright, and we have another bag in a bag. Looks like maybe a dress. Sundress, perhaps? Size extra small. Definitely not a sundress. It is more like a... almost like a Little House on the Prairie dress. Kind of cute, actually. Extra small. And moving on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do about 2 more bags here, and then we'll wrap this video up. And obviously, by the looks of the bags and boxes we have, it's going to end up being probably a 3 or 4-part video. But, moving on. I'm going to do this bag, 1 more for this video. And we will wrap it up. Another swimsuit. Almost like a blue gingham print. Very cute. I love gingham prints. It's got ruffles on the shoulders. Super cute, in my opinion. Another $34.99, and it's size medium. Alright, we'll go ahead and do this one and wrap the video up for today. This one looks like more exercise pants. High-rise leggings. Those have got to be a super small. Yep, extra small. $34.99 retail. Alright, we're going to go ahead and wrap the video up. Like I said, anything you see on any of our box unopenings, just go to the store, dealsofthistandthat.com, where you'll find great deals and amazing discounts. All right, subscriber giveaways for a $50 variety mystery box, the type we sell on our website. All you have to do, like, subscribe, and write, "I love a good mystery," in the comments below. This again came from Via Trading. You can find that information and any other information I mentioned in the video in the description box below. All right, guys, have a good one and see you next time.